Sorry, we'll try again, shall we? Yeah. Oh, there has been an update, but it only works halfway. What a pain in the arse. Right, we'll try again, shall we? Right, I'm at Chainsaw Wall. Oh, let's have a look. Yes. Pain, SDS. Not seen Pain, a proper piece by Pain, for a long time. Has been back on the scene recently. Of course, I went over an outline at Fortineath with one of my twin carrots, and I mentioned it at V-Bar when he was there, and all the boys went up and took it out. But I did do a lot of shouts. Pain, SDS, so damn sexy, and other words. Maybe has been back again, Mr. Maybe. And Maybe came back as May back in, it must have been 2013-14. Interesting colours. Maybe's really turning the colours up now. SDS, Saddam, Maybe. So Maybe's in SDS now. Pain, Senza, Soak, Clart. So this is all SDS. There's some good writers here. A few new ones. Street Dreams, SDS. SDS. Very clever. And Soak again. And the first time I saw Soak here, I mentioned his piece at Streatham, and there was him, Soak, mops on the back of a fence, and there was two pieces by Cos, and they dated to about 1997 to 1999, and he went, you remember that? Unbelievable. So that goes back a way, and Soak has been very regular here, and there's another one I haven't seen in quite a while. Saddam, SDS. Street Dreams again. Roten Ends. I know who Roten is, but I'm not going to say. But Saddam, and I've even seen it reversed as Mad Arse. Senzo. This is fresh, I can smell it. Senzo, SDS. Moda. Moda was a graffiti writer that he died on tracks. I think it was Wandsworth, I'm not sure. But Senzo's always putting up Moda. Even Golem or Golai put up Rip Moda, and I've known about it for years. And in the corner we got Clart, another mad colours piece. That's very different. That is crazy stuff. Clart. You run out of blood. What's that smell? Oh, it's blood. And we've still got Separ on the end wall. And Separ is the one that took out my twin crown carrot. And Separ was prevalent at Annerley back in the day. The ruined sports centre at Annerley. So we got Clart. So it's a full SDS wall, pretty much. Clart, Senzo. And good to see Saddam SDS again. It's been quite a while. Soak seems to have joined the ranks. And then a crew dub. And Maybe. And another original Pain. And here we've got another one that's just erupted onto the scene. Sick. I'm not sure what crew, whether it's a new one or an established one come back with a different name. It could be Lost. I think Lost is something to do with TT, I don't know. Again, there's Sick here again. But whoever this Sick is, they've got some skills, and it does seem to hark back to the early 90s. So it could be a 70s magic side. Wonder if it's Safe. No, I thought Carve, Rip Safe and Nail Bomb. Rip Carve, Rip Condemn. I'm pretty sure Regret, Reg SMC, Regret, I don't know, to be honest. Anyway, I think we're going to end it there. Can't turn it round, I'm afraid. I'm going to grab that ladder in the distance and I'm going to sit on it for a little while. And we've got more ferns and plants and crap and all kinds, and there's bulbs and stuff, and an old IKEA cutlery dryer that can be turned into a receipt burner, fish blood and bone. So yeah, I'm going to pick up that broken ladder over there. I'm going to sit on it, have a rest. So yes, this is a full SDS wall. Clark, Senzo, Saddam, Soak, SDS, Maybe, and Payne. Not bad at all. Oh well, I think I'll catch you guys later. Oh, by the way, I managed to figure out that little icon in the bottom right of the video. So it's something to do with branding. But that way you can click on the button at the bottom right. If you look at it, it's a little blue dragon. There is a green version as well, but that little blue dragon at the bottom right is DJ Puff. Yes, that is DJ Puff in the bottom right there. So click on the icon and you can subscribe to the channel now. If only the banner picture was easier. So, if you like what you see, probably not. Well, I've still got videos to go up of Bird Dog and his band, Rogue Element. But like I said, I now have the little DJ Puff icon on the bottom right. And DJ Puff comes from the Codemasters game DJ Puff's Volcanic Capers. And also, I've got a load more graffiti pics, old legacy pics. So if you want to look for more Saaf London graffiti legacy pics, look up DJ Puff the Third on Flickr, or DJ Puff Puffs again, or something like DJ Puff Puffs again, also on Flickr. And that brings up a lot of old Saaf London graffiti pics and other pics. And it has pretty much the same icon. So DJ Puff the Third on Flickr and DJ Puff Puffs again on Flickr. Anyway, I'm going to end it there. Mumsy's phone. I need to sit down, have a rest, and then I'll walk down to Norwood Lake and get a tea or something, and then hack a portal, and then I'll go to Kim's to have a cup of tea and plant up another tub. Okay, thanks for joining me. Thumbs up if you like, and click on DJ Puff at the bottom right if you like, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.